1958 Alfa Romeo Giulietta Spider. Price: $16,750 US. Location: Nevada, USA. The 1958 Alfa Romeo Giulietta Spider is one of the most beautiful Italian sports cars ever created. Even after more than 6 decades, its elegant lines, lightweight design, and unmistakable charm continue to captivate classic car enthusiasts around the world. This particular example presents a rare opportunity to own a genuine piece of Alfa Romeo history at an accessible price. The exterior currently wears primer paint, giving the car a raw and unfinished appearance that highlights its potential as a restoration project. Chrome trim accents remain in place, preserving the iconic styling cues that made the Giulietta Spider a favorite among sports car lovers during the golden age of motoring. Every curve of the body reflects the timeless craftsmanship of Italian automotive design. The heart of this classic roadster is a 1.3-litre inline-4 engine paired with a manual transmission. This combination helped establish the Giulietta Spider's reputation as a lightweight, agile, and enjoyable driver's car. Equipped with a Solex carburetor and 4-wheel drum brakes, it offers an authentic vintage driving experience that transports drivers back to the late 1950s. The convertible soft-top frame remains with the vehicle, allowing future restoration efforts to return the car to its original open-air glory. Additional features include dual side mirrors, a classic 2-spoke steering wheel, 15-inch steel wheels, and period-correct metric tires. These details contribute to the authenticity that collectors seek when searching for an original Giulietta Spider. The matching number status makes this Alfa Romeo even more appealing. Matching numbers vehicles are highly valued among collectors because they retain their original engine and major components from the factory. For enthusiasts looking to invest in a classic Italian automobile, originality can significantly enhance long-term desirability and value. The 1958 Alfa Romeo Giulietta Spider is more than just a project car, it is an opportunity to revive a legendary icon. Whether restored to concours quality perfection or customized into a unique vintage roadster, this Alfa Romeo offers endless possibilities. At an asking price of just $16,750, it represents an exciting chance to bring one of Italy's most beloved sports cars back to life and enjoy a true masterpiece of automotive history.